Tina, local pediatricians right now are slammed with COVID-19 patients, toddlers all the way to teenagers, testing positive at the highest rate since the pandemic started. WCPO 9 News' Allie Kramer talked to local pediatricians about the trend. She joins us live from one of these spots in Anderson. What are they telling patients? What are they seeing out there, Allie?
Well, here at Anderson Hills Pediatrics, Adrian, they're able to see a large number of patients every day, and they do so by literally just lining them up. They have parking spots labeled out front so that you can pull up. You can literally just call in to have a nurse come out and meet you for a COVID-19 test. Right now, Dr. Kathleen Driscoll says that they're testing about 65 kids a day, and she says that that number is just insane. They're trying to be able to kind of keep up with the demand as much as possible. Dr. Driscoll added that they're also seeing the highest positivity rate since the pandemic began. 32% of patients tested are coming back positive. Dr. Driscoll says that over the Christmas holiday, they were filling up their daily appointments by 9 a.m. That's everything that includes coughs, colds, flu, strep, and COVID. She says that they've had trouble keeping up with the volume of calls. A lot of parents really just have questions about exposures and the new testing and quarantine guidelines. The doctors and nurses are working overtime to be able to see and test all of these kids, and they'll continue to do that for as long as needed. But Dr. Driscoll kind of pleads with the community with one piece of advice.
Hunker down. Please don't go out to big social settings. I think, everyone is sort of sick of us saying this COVID is really contagious. Please don't do anything. And we understand life needs to go on. But when I say this Omicron variant is contagious, it is so contagious. We are seeing people whose parents are vaccinated and boosted who are getting it. Kids in the 5 to 11 age group who just got vaccinated a month ago are getting it. So it's getting everybody.
Dr. Driscoll says there are two sort of upsides, at least to kind of consider here. She says that the Omicron variant is less severe in children, so less children have to be hospitalized or have those really severe symptoms, so they're able to, kind of treat them here in the office. And then second of all, there is kind of an end in sight. The experts are hoping that this kind of peaks within the next week. So if you can kind of hunker down, buckle down, and be really cautious for the next 2 weeks, you should start to kind of see things lighten up a little bit. For now, reporting live in Anderson, Allie Kramer, WCPO 9 News.